Welcome to today's tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing us how to format our text, how to change our text color, text font, and text background, how to add outline to our text, how to add shadows to our text, and how to change the default background of our design. I'm going to be showing us how to add color to our shapes and many more. So sit back and enjoy these tutorials. First, I'm going to add a text and apply some effect to this text. Add text. Sorry, let me delete this. Now, this is my text. I will edit it. John cap lock. Okay. Now this is my text. Now I'm going to add some effect on this text. The first effect I'm going to add on this text right now, I'm going to change the text style, which is the font of this particular text. Now, how do I do this? You go to this capital letter A here, click on it, then you scroll on these items and you go to font. Look at font. We have font here. Click on font. You see we have different styles, different font styles. We have them here. So you just pick any one and press OK. Now let's go for this. I've selected my text. I'll click OK. That's how to change your font style. Now the next one is how to apply color to your text. How do you do that? You scroll here, you'll see color. Click on color. You see you have different colors here. You just pick any one you feel like picking. Let's assume I want to use red. Now this is how you change your font style. Then you click on OK. I have applied color to my text. Now let's assume you want that particular text to have two colors. It is very simple. You go to color. Now you select gradient and not color. Gradient. Click on gradient. Have you seen it? If I click on this now, I have two colors on my text. If you don't want to use black and red, it is very simple. You click on this plus sign here. Now we have black and red. You want to change it. All you need to do is you click on this, which is the black. It has been selected. Then you go to color. You apply the color you want to apply. Press OK. Then you click on this also. This red. I have selected it. You go to color and probably apply blue. You click on OK. Have you seen it? Now I have blue and red, including black. I don't want to see this black anymore. I'll just screw this. Listen, and I'll just change this to red again. Just make it red. Listen, I have red now. What you need to do is just to press OK. You have red and blue color. That is how to apply gradient, which is two colors, to your text. Click on this and press OK. Now I have applied two colors on my text. Let's assume you don't want to use color on your text. You want to use shape. You want to put shape inside your text. All you need to do is go to texture. We have, look at it, we have texture here. You click on texture. It will take you here to select the image that you want to insert on your text. You click here. It will bring out your picture. Any picture, any text you want to, picture you want to apply. Let me use this gold. Click on it and press OK. Have you seen it? I have insert texture to my text, which is background. Now that's how you add texture to your text using picture. I can equally add picture to this. Just click on texture. Let me remove this. I can just add any picture. I'm adding my picture to this text, or let's use this picture of here, Osime. Click. Now you see I have my picture, this picture inside my text. So the next thing I'm going to be showing us now is how you apply outline to your text. How do you do that? To apply outline to your text, you select the text, then you go to stroke. Have you seen it? Stroke. We have stroke here. You click on it, you enable it, and go down here. You see stroke width. You drag it. Have you seen it? Now we have outline on our text. You can change the color of the outline, any color you want to use. Have you seen it? That is how you apply white. Any color you feel like using on your outline, then you click on OK. The next one that follows is how to apply shadow to your text. It is very simple. You just go to shadow, you enable it, you scroll down here, you see it. Now I'll pick any color of shadow I want to apply. Let's assume I want to apply white. Have you seen the shadow there? I can increase the outer glow of the shadow by increasing this, enabling this. Have you seen it? Then you increase. You want the shadow to go right, or you want it to go left, just drag. You want it to go right, you drag. You want it to go down, you drag. You want it to go left, you also drag. That's how you apply shadow to your text. Right? Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to be showing us is how to change this default background here. What this default background will have here to it. Let's assume you want to change it so that it will suit what you are designing. What you need to do is you come to this square. Is it right angle? This double right angle here. You click on it, then you have color. Look at what you have here, color. You click on this color, come to color, and select any color you want to apply on your default background. Any color you feel like adding. That is how you change the color. You can equally use gradients. Just pick anyone. Have you seen it? Anyone you want to apply on your background, then you click on OK. That is how to format your text and also change your background of your design. Now let's assume you want to use picture on this background. You don't want to use normal background, you want to use picture. All you need to do is, I've taught you that on our first class. You just need to go to this additional sign, go to from gallery, you pick any picture here. Let's assume I want to use this. Click on it, press OK. Have you seen it? That is how to use picture on your background. Don't be confused because you're not seeing our text anymore. I will just bring it forward, but that will be in another class. I will show you how to bring text forward. But because of this class, I'm going to bring this text forward so that we'll see our text. I'll just bring it forward. So have you seen it? That is how to use picture as a background for your design. I believe with this you can edit your text, apply any kind of effect on your text, and also change your design background. So with these tutorials, I believe you can handle these two functions of Pixellab. See you in our next class. Thank you.